Good morning, all of you, my legendary students. So today we are going to discussing about transgenic animals. Okay, we are continuing with transgenic animals. Already told you, Brinter scientist was discovered the 1980 uh, transgenic animals. What is transgenic animals? Genetically manipulated animals having introduced genes or genetic makeup for the production of transgenic animals is known as transgenic animals. The production of the transgenic animals is known as transgenesis, or so this by using of transgenic animals, transgenesis, we should produce as mice. Hello. So transgenic animals, the production of transgenic animals, a transgenic process. We are producing transgenic mice, transgenic fishes, transgenic pig, transgenic cat, transgenic cattle, okay, transgenic different animals. We are mosquitoes. We are producing by using of the transgenesis process. So the transgenics, we are collecting the transgenic desired genes and insert into the embryonic cells, and then the embryonic cells to develop and growth to be form of whatever number of resistance power also there. So this transgenic animals, the production of the transgenic animals by using the process, different methods are there. One is a retroviral method, the second one microinjection method, third one is embryonic stem cell method. The three methods we already discussed. We already introduced, right? Already given transgenic method, transgenic preparation of the transgenic mice by retroviral method. Okay, so now I would like to very well see micro injection method. What is the method, ma? Micro injection method. Okay, so in this micro injection method, okay, what we are taking, first of all, we are taking super ovulated mouse. Super ovulated mouse, nothing but what is that? The mouse ovaries to be injected HCG hormone. By using of HCG hormone, that means to produce many hormone, many ovas are there. That is called super ovulated. Or sometimes we are injected pituitary secretion also. In that condition, the ovaries to produce many ovas. That is called super ovulated female. This super ovulated female, which is mating with male mouse, which is with which is mating with male mouse, but internal fertilization takes place. So here the zygote should be formed. Zygote should be formed. This zygote, which is having the fertilized egg, which is having female mouse, female pronucleus, and male pronucleus. So this is a smaller one female pronucleus, bigger one male pronucleus is there. Okay. And we are, what happened, ma? These fertilized egg we are holding with holding pipette to keep the egg position. The egg position purpose, we are holding with the holder also there. Holding with holder. For example, this egg, with the help of the holder, we are holding like that. So we are observing the diagram. So this is a holder to holding the egg, right position. And now with the help of the, this is a micro pipette. This is called what? Micro pipette. The micro pipette which is having foreign gene. What is your diabetic gene? What is the, whatever it may be, any desired gene we are inserted, or milk production gene inserted into for as a choose as a foreign gene. This foreign gene with help of micropipette insert into the egg. Insert into the egg. What happened, ma? See here. So simply already told you, the foreign genes are inserted or injected into fertilizer egg by micropipette. This is called micro injection. This is called what, ma? Micro injection. The egg also infected. The egg also infected by using of micro pipette. And this injected, infected, what happened, ma? Egg. Okay. So which is developed into uterus of the rat, uterus of the mouse. So the implantation of micro injection, micro injected egg. So these egg are what happened, ma? To collecting and insert into, implanted into foster mother. Foster mother, nothing but surrogate mother. Those are those mouse which is having, which is to carries throughout the gestation period. Okay, so that is called that mouse is called what, ma? Foster mother. Foster mother is surrogate mother, not a true mother. The surrogate mother. The surrogate mother which is having what, ma? Micro injected egg. Then after 3 weeks, after gestation period, after pregnancy period, what happened, ma? These foster mother should not fertilized. This foster mother should not fertilized. This foster mother which is mating with compulsory. But ma? Mating with the vasectomized male. Whatever, ma? Mating with the vasectomized male. That means it is duplicate fertilization. That means vasa afferentia is the vasectomized, but we are removed vasa afferentia from the male mouse. That mouse to be fusing or mating with these implanted foster mother for the duplicate fertilization. Okay, in that case, what happened, ma? Here fertilization takes place, duplicate fertilization takes place. Okay, the transgenic mouse which is develop the number of clones, number of copies of this micro injected egg that get ready for the these mouse which is having transgenic eggs. The transgenic eggs are after gestation period to deliver to produces number of mouses. Number of mouses. Each and every mouse which is having whatever, ma? The foreign desired genes. Foreign desired genes are there. This is what very important. Clear? So this is called, we are already making a transgenic mouse. This is a micro injection method. What, ma? Micro injection method. What is micro injection method? So first of all, choosing the desired genes, okay, insert into the fertilized egg by using a micro. That is called micro injection. First here we are prepared the superovulated female mouse by using of pituitary secretion or HCG. Number of eggs are to produces. If we are the eggs are this superovulated mouse which is mating with male, the male to produce a sperm, the sperm and ova to be egg should be what, ma? Fusion takes place, internal fertilization takes place to be form of fertilized egg. This fertilized egg which is contains male pronucleus and female pronucleus. These eggs should be holding with the holder and right up position with help of the micropipette desired into the desired gene insert into the egg. That is, egg should be micro injected. This micro injected egg to be inserted into the foster mother, nothing but surrogate mother. This surrogate mother after the gestation period, after the pregnancy period, 3 weeks, it produces the mouse. It produces transgenic mouse. This is called what happened ma transgenic mouse. Okay, now let us go to one more method. So first method I already told you. What is that method ma? Retroviral method, and here retroviral method foreign desired gene is combined with the murine leukemia virus, and that type of murine leukemia recombinant insert into the 8-cell embryo. That is called what ma? Retroviral method. Okay, second method microinjection method. Third method, okay, embryonic stem cell method. It is also very important method for long question. What is transgenesis? To describe the transgenic method, transgenic production of the transgenic animal methods, to describe. It will be asking to 20 marks question, right? And one more method we are using. Yes, this is called what ma? Transgenic mice using by genetic engineering embryonic stem cell method, ES method. Embryonic, ES nothing but embryonic cell, what was stem cell method, stem cells. Okay, so what is here? Okay, what is we are the screen is visible ma? Screen is visible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Asleep. Okay. So okay, thank you. And now in this method, we are using, first of all, we are choose a pregnant mouse. First of all, what ma? We are choosing pregnant mouse. The pregnant mouse, that means that means embryo. The embryo already ready in the mouse. That is called pregnant mouse. The pregnant mouse, which is have blastocele. The blastocele which contains blastomeres are there. The blastocysts are there. The blastocyst which contains the blastocells are there. Blastomeres. And from the blastocele, okay, which contains what ma? Embryonic stem cells. First of all, we're choosing the pregnant mouse. Okay, what is embryonic stem cell method? The foreign desired gene insert into embryonic stem cell method. Okay, foreign desired gene insert into the what ma? Embryonic stem cell method. Embryonic stem cells. The production of the mice is called what ma? Embryonic stem cell method. In this method, what happened ma? We are choosing blastocele. That is embryo we should be choosing. The blastocyst, blastomeres are there. The blastomeres which is having embryonic stem cells are there. Embryonic stem cells are there. These embryonic stem cells we are isolating. We are isolating from the embryo or blastocele. It is first step. The second step, what happened ma? So we are choosing a foreign gene, like whatever it may be, coagulating factor gene, anticoagulating factor genes, and diabetic genes, okay, and cancer cell genes, and production of milk genes, and growthing genes, whatever it may be. We are choosing foreign gene. Okay, this foreign gene is combined with neomycin. Combined with the neomycin. This is called what ma? Neomycin foreign gene is there. This foreign neomycin foreign gene, which is two ends are there, TK1, TK2 is there. The highly resistant TK1, TK2, the foreign genes which are to protected by TK1, TK2s are there. These are the protective proteins are there. Oh. So this foreign gene, okay. So this foreign gene, which is or get ready. This foreign gene with neomycin insert into embryonic stem cells. We already prepared the embryonic stem cells. This foreign gene insert into embryonic stem cells. Transfection using calcium phosphate. So by using of this these foreign desired genes, neomycin foreign gene insert into the embryonic stem cells with help of the calcium phosphate. So the embryonic stem cells are transfection. Okay. So to be form of what happened ma? a recombinant embryonic stem cell. Recombinant embryo. So whether foreign desired gene is inserted into embryonic stem cells, with the foreign gene which is having the cells, embryonic stem cells, that embryonic stem cells are called recombinant embryonic stem cells. Some of the embryonic stem cells doesn't have the foreign genes, should not insert that stem cells are called non-recombinant ESL, embryonic stem cell. Whether embryonic stem cell having foreign desired gene with the neomycin, that is called what ma? Recombinant embryonic stem cell. Whether if it is not having, doesn't having that that doesn't insert it, that is called what ma? Non-recombinant embryonic stem cells. Okay, so these recombinant embryonic stem cells are what happened ma? So we should be produced, we should be cultured recombinant embryonic stem cells in the medium that is called neomycin subculture. They are culturing the recombinant embryonic stem cells, okay, in the what happened ma? Neomycin medium. Neomycin calcium phosphate medium also there. So here recombinants are a number of in the culturing, a number of embryonic stem cells to be grown, number of embryonic stem cells are formed. So these are the recombinant embryonic cell mass are formed. This embryonic stem, that means recombinant recombinant embryonic stem cells are collecting by using a micropipette. This is called micropipette. Insert into what happened ma? Again we are choosing a pregnant mouse. Inserting, already we choosing a pregnant mouse blastocyst. We are insert into recombinant embryonic stem cells, insert into the what happened ma? Embryo, that is blastocyst. And so we should collecting what ma? Non-recombinant embryonic stem cell or collecting recombinant embryonic stem cells are they also. Both are collecting and insert into blastocyst by using micro injection, by using a micro injection method. So here after injection, the foreign desired genes are injecting into the embryo. Okay, so that by using a micropipette, that is called micro injection. Already told you. Second method, same method we are using here. Okay, here in the blastocyst, recombinant embryonic stem cells are there, non-recombinant embryonic stem cells are there. Okay, so here totally the embryo should be developed. So this embryo, this blastocyst, implantation into foster mother or surrogate mother. Implantation into foster mother or surrogate mother, and this surrogate mother mating with vasectomized vasectomized male, then fertilization, duplicate fertilization takes place. So here this mouse which is having foster mother which is having foreign desired gene with the embryonic stem cell. Okay, after gestation period of 3 weeks, okay, this foster mother produces to deliver transgenic mice. So this is a method. What happened now? They are producing production of the transgenic mice. Okay, so what is that method, ma'am? Come on, tell me. Making of production of mice by using of embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells method nothing but foreign desired genes, okay, insert into embryonic stem cells by using of neomycin, calcium phosphate. Production of the mice is called what ma? Transgenic embryonic stem cell method. First of all, in this method, what happened ma? Choosing a pregnant mouse. Okay, the pregnant mouse during the embryo should be formed. That is, we should choose a blastocyst. From the blastocyst, already blastomeres are there. Blastomeres to develop embryonic stem cells. The blastomeres which is having embryonic stem cell cell mass. So these embryonic stem cell isolated. Okay, embryonic stem cells are isolated from the blastocyst. That is kept at a side in the lab, and we should choose a foreign gene. foreign gene which is mating with this foreign gene which is mating with which is combined with neomycin, that is called neomycin foreign gene is there. This foreign neomycin to protect, to resist different infections by using of TK1, TK2 also there. The neomycin foreign gene which is ends, the terminal ends which is having TK1, TK2s are there. This is get ready for the foreign gene inserting in the embryonic stem cells. These foreign these foreign desired gene, okay, insert into embryonic stem cells by using of micro. So that means transfection method. Foreign desired gene insert into embryonic stem cells, transfecting using calcium phosphates are there. Using calcium phosphates. Here, what happened now? The embryonic stem cells are, those embryonic stem cells are infected, transfecting with the foreign desired gene that is called to be form of recombinant embryonic stem cells. Those embryonic stem cells not infected, what happened ma? Not transfecting, that is called what ma? Non-recombinant embryonic stem cells. Both the embryonic stem cells are culturing, subculturing in medium with neomycin. So we are culturing number of recombinant cells. Recombinants or non-recombinants, whatever. So this culture, these embryonic stem cells with the foreign desired genes insert into blastocyst of embryo, another mouse. Okay, now clear? With help of micropipette. So that is called micro injection. The micro injection, the foreign embryonic stem cells are inserted into blastocyst by using a micropipette. That is called what ma? Micro injection. Is clear? So this blastocyst insert into foster mother. Foster mother is surrogate mother. That means in Telugu we can call it Pempudu Talli. Pempudu Talli. Okay, so this is this after the blastocysts are infected. That micro injection, foster mother, after injecting of this embryonic stem cell, we are duplicating, mating with vasectomizer male. Duplicate fertilization takes place. After this mouse for 3 weeks of gestation period, that means the mouse gestation period, that is 21 days. Okay, after gestation period, this mouse, the foster mother, delivers, okay, to produce transgenic mouse. Okay, this is called methods, transgenic methods. Okay, now, so I think all of you to understand these 3 methods. Okay, now 3 methods we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is the methods. Okay, these are the methods we are using. I think this is a method, transgenic, what is, it will be asking long question or CSR net level, it will be asking compulsory. Okay, so what is transgenic animals? So to describe the transgenic, production of the transgenic animal methods, okay, so number 1, retroviral method, number 2, microinjection method, number 3, embryo stem cell method. Okay, this is a method, 3 methods are there. And the retroviral method, same. In the retroviral method, we are choosing, okay, murine leukemia virus, MULV. So the murine leukemia virus, first of all, the mouse is infected with murine leukemia virus. We should collect the mouse cell. That means proviral DNA. Proviral DNA, but the murine leukemia virus, which is to reverse transcription takes place to produce DNA. That's proviral DNA. The proviral DNA cut with what happened, ma? Cut with that means restriction endonuclease. Okay, it is get ready, and the proviral fragments are formed. Then we should choose a foreign desired genes. These foreign desired genes, which is mixed with combined with neomycin, to be form of neomycin foreign desired gene. This foreign desired gene also to be cut with an restriction endonuclease. Both the foreign desired genes and proviral DNA, that is vector DNA, and fusion with mating with fusion with by using of ligase, DNA ligase enzyme, to be form of rDNA or DNA. So this is what very important. These are recombinant DNA. This recombinant DNA with murine leukemia virus proviral DNA is infected with again mouse cell line. So this murine leukemia should not replicate in this mouse. Then here RNA to produce RNA capsid, get ready for the murine leukemia recombinant DNA. Recombinant murine leukemia virus, it get ready for the infection. Then we should choose the what happened ma for an that means mouse. We are collecting the what happened ma. So for an X, okay, inside this that means eggs are developed embryo, that means 8-cell embryo. These recombinant murine leukemia inserted 8-cell embryo. The embryos are infected with the MULV, and the culturing in the neomycin with calcium phosphate, okay, and number of MULV recombinants are found, okay, and then these MULV recombinants are inserted into mouse, that is foster mother or surrogate mother. This surrogate mother to produce many fragments are there. Many fragments are a number of. This is called the preparation of the mice is called one of the murine leukemia virus. The second method, that is method is called what ma? Microinjection. Okay, that means what ma? Foreign desired gene insert into the microinjection method is nothing but the foreign desired gene insert into that means insert into fertilized egg for the by using of microinjection, micropipette, that is called microinjection method. And embryonic stem cell method, same. Okay, so in this choosing for desired gene, binding with neomycin, resistant with the TK1, TK2, and it is inserted into embryonic stem cells. Okay, and by production of the mice is called what ma? Embryonic stem cell method. This is the methods which are very, very important methods are there for the production of the. That's why it will be asking in the pandemic COVID paper. It will be asking long question. And one more, by using of transgenic methods to produce of transgenic animals. What type of animals are there in our syllabus? Transgenic mice is there, transgenic fish, transgenic cattle, transgenic sheep also there. These are the animals are there by using of transgenic animals. What the transgenic mice already prepared by using of this method. They are choosing transgenic fish, transgenic sheep, transgenic cattle. Transgenic fish to useful for the transgenic for curing of the diabetes or asthma, something, etc., diseases. Okay, transgenic sheep, we are production of the anticoagulant factors, and transgenic goat also there, transgenic mice also there for the now for the pandemic situation for the what ma? So production of a number of like vaccines, like enzymes, etc., etc. Okay, so this is a we are using these methods, and tomorrow we'll continue with okay, continue with what are the transgenic animals are there. What are the transgenic animals are there? What are the transgenic animals are there? We'll discussing tomorrow. Thank you very much. Today the session is completed. So thank you for inform to your friends. Today attendance is very good. Attendance is there. Nearly 15 members are there. Thank you very much. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, signing out. Thank you.